$42. That's everything I have. And I just watched my friend Marcus unbox his third pair of sneakers this month. New phone, new everything. And here's the thing. His family isn't rich. His mom's a nurse. His dad fixes air conditioners. I've been saving for months and I'm stuck at 42 bucks. Marcus doesn't even try, so what does he know that I don't?
You've got the right confusion. Wrong question. You're asking how Marcus spends. Ask how his family grows.
Grows what?
Money, quietly, in the background, while they sleep.
Money doesn't grow while you sleep, Dad. That's not a real thing.
It's the most powerful force in finance, and almost nobody your age uses it. Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest. Let me show you why it's basically a cheat code, and why most people quit right before it pays off.
Okay, you have my attention. But if this gets boring, I'm leaving.
Long ago, a king wanted to reward the man who invented chess. "Name your prize," he said. The inventor said, "Just rice, your majesty. 1 grain on the first square, 2 on the second, 4 on the third. Double it, square by square." The king laughed. "Rice? This fool could have asked for gold." "Done," he said. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. For the whole first row, it's almost nothing, a handful of rice. But by the 20th square, it's over 1,000,000 grains. By the 32nd, more than 4 billion. By square 64, more rice than the entire world has ever grown. The king couldn't pay. That's doubling.
Wait, from 1 grain?
From 1 grain. It didn't get huge because it started big. It got huge because it kept doubling.
Okay, pause. Before he tells me, if you doubled a single dollar 64 times, guess how big it gets? Drop your guess in the comments. I'll give you the answer at the end, and it's genuinely absurd.
Now here's why that matters for your $42. Money can double the same way. If you put it somewhere, it earns. Say you put $1,000 somewhere earning 8% a year. Year 1, you earn $80. Boring, right? But year 2, you don't earn on 1,000. You earn on 1,080. You're earning on your earnings.
So the money has babies, and the babies have babies.
Best definition I've ever heard. That's the whole idea. After 10 years, your 1,000 becomes about 2,100. It doubled. Still feels slow. But watch. 20 years, 4,600. 30 years, 10,000. 40 years, 21,700. From one deposit you never touched. See that bend? Early on the line crawls, then it launches like a ski jump. That launch is compounding finally waking up. Quick trick so you can do this in your head. The rule of 72. Take 72, divide by your interest rate. At 8%, 72 over 8. Your money doubles every 9 years.
So at 9%, it'd double every 8 years. I can actually do that in my head.
Now you're thinking like someone with money.
Hold on. Where does 8% even come from? You can't just promise that.
Fair. Historically, the U.S. stock market, a basket of the 500 biggest companies, has averaged around 10% a year over decades. Call it 7 or 8 after inflation. Some years it drops hard, but stretched over decades, that's the engine. It's not a savings account. It goes up and down. The trick isn't picking winners. It's staying in long enough for the doubling to do its thing. Here's the part that breaks people's brains. Emma starts saving at 19, $200 a month. She stops completely at 30. Liam starts at 30, right when Emma quits, and saves $200 a month all the way to 65. Liam saves for 35 years. Emma saved for 11, then nothing. Who has more at 65? Emma, the one who quit at 30, because her money had 11 extra years to compound, and the early years are worth the most.
That's not fair. Liam put in way more money.
He did, and he still lost. In compounding, time beats money, almost every time. Every year you wait to start isn't one missed year of saving. It's a year stolen from the end, the steepest, most valuable part of the curve.
Dad, you started an account for me when I was born, didn't you?
$20 a month. Some weeks I skipped lunch to do it. You were 3 days old and already had time on your side.
I used to think that was pointless. 20 bucks.
20 bucks, 15 years ago, still doubling. That's not pointless. That's a head start most people never get. Now the warning. Compounding doesn't care which direction it runs. It builds fortunes. It also digs holes. Credit card debt compounds too, at 24%. Run the rule of 72 backwards. At 24%, what you owe doubles every 3 years. Borrow $1,000, pay only the minimum, and you can spend years paying back $2,000 or $3,000. The bank is using the chessboard against you.
So the same thing that makes Emma rich makes someone else broke.
Same engine, opposite direction. Whoever understands it gets to choose which side they're on.
Okay, so what do I actually do? I'm 15 with $42. I can't buy the whole stock market.
3 things. 1. Start now, even tiny. Time matters more than amount. 2. When you can, put it in a low-cost index fund, that basket of 500 companies, not one lottery ticket stock. 3. The hard one. Don't touch it. Let it sit and double. The math is easy, David. The hard part is patience. Almost everyone quits while the curve is still flat and boring, right before the ski jump.
$42 isn't a lot, but $42 that knows how to double? That's a different kind of $42.
Now you're not chasing Marcus's sneakers. You're building something his sneakers can't buy back.
Oh, and that chessboard? A single dollar, doubled all the way to square 64, is over $9 quintillion. More money than exists on Earth, from $1. So here's my question for you. If you could go back and start one tiny money habit at 15, what would it be? Top comment, I'll read it next episode. And tell me what Dad and I should break down next. How credit cards actually trap you, or what a stock really is. Subscribe so the next one finds you. See you then.